Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Babs Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make ghee in Insta Pot. I like to use Insta Pot to make ghee, and I use it especially when I have to make a larger and a bigger batch of ghee. And if I'm making ghee in smaller quantities, I still use the stovetop. But since this is going to be almost 4 pounds of butter that I'm going to use, I find Insta Pot perfect for this particular recipe. So let me show you how to do it. It's fairly easy, and once you put the butter in, you switch on the Insta Pot, you can forget about it for another 30 minutes. So just follow me and I'll show you how to do it. So here I have like 4 pounds of butter, and this is any kind of butter. I have used like a ShopRite brand, and as long as it's unsalted, it's fine. So this is like each pound has 4 sticks of butter, and I've used 4 pounds of butter over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place these sticks inside the Insta Pot, and then I'm going to start the Insta Pot. I'll just plug it in. And then just press the saute button. And then you can see automatically it comes to 30 minutes. You just leave it as this, and the butter will slowly start melting. You have to remember, don't put any cover. It has to be open and should be on the saute function. Hi everyone, welcome back, and it's been 15 minutes. It won't show the 15 minutes on my Insta Pot, but I have been keeping track of it. And if you see, the butter has melted and it's boiling away, but it is still not done, and it's going to take a little bit more time. I'm going to allow it to cook some more, and when I come back you can see how it looks. Welcome back, and you can see 30 minutes are done, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So you can see this is melted and it has got a nice golden brown color to it, but I prefer it to be more brown. So I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes more, and then I will show you how it looks. So I have set it for 15 minutes more because I like a brown color of ghee, and I feel then that is more cooked. And let's see after 15 minutes how that looks. Hi everyone, welcome back, and as you can remember, last time I set it for 15 more minutes. 15 minutes have passed, and I'm going to switch off the Insta Pot now, because I've got the right color that I'm looking for. I prefer to have a darker color of ghee, not the yellow one. The yellow one, if you have the yellow ghee, it's almost not cooked. So you just, this is the color that I'm looking for, and you can see over here how dark it is. But don't worry, this is the color that you need. It may look like it's burnt, it's not burnt. And this is exactly the color that I'm going for. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to allow it to cool down, and then I don't know, it may take about an hour to cool down. And once it's cooled down, I'm going to strain it, and then I'm going to put it in the glass jars and save it for whenever I want to use. I'll come back after 1 hour, and then I'll show you how to store it. Welcome back, and now the ghee has cooled down, and let me show you how it looks before I strain it. It is very dark, and this is the color, like I mentioned before, this is the color I'm looking for. Don't worry, it's not burnt. This is a proper color of ghee, and you should be, if you were here, you would be able to smell it. It smells heavenly. So let me do one thing. Let me strain the ghee, and I'm going to strain it into this measuring cup so that we can see how much 4 pound of butter has, how much ghee has been made with 4 pounds of butter. The reason I'm straining this is because all the milk solids are at the bottom and I don't want to have the milk solids. So this is about 2 cups of ghee and it's half liter. So I'm going to pour it into one of these bottles. I'm going to continue this process again. Don't worry about the little spills. So I got about 6 cups of ghee. And I know it looks dark, but when it solidifies, it's going to turn lighter. And this is the perfect color of ghee that you should have. And once you taste ghee like this, I'm sure you're never going to buy store-bought ghee ever again. So remember, you have to have this color of ghee. This is the one that is the most aromatic and flavorful, and it'll enhance any of the dishes that you put it into. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will like and subscribe and even comment on the video. And if you have any tips or suggestions, feel free to comment below. This is the picture of ghee 24 hours later. As you can see, the ghee has lightened up considerably and has a light brown color to it. It tastes absolutely delicious and the aroma is out of this world. I hope you have enjoyed this video.